Hello friends, welcome you all in Seva Samajik Vikas Sanstha Sadara. Today in our English session we are going to discuss about one word substitution. Here on the screen you are able to see the type of question can be asked under this heading. Each of the item in this section has sentence with a blank space and four words given after the sentence. Select whichever word you consider most appropriate for the blank space, or out of the four alternatives, choose the one which can be sub or the given word sentences. So, friends, you are able to understand that here on the screen, sentences are given to you, and you have to find out more appropriate word for that. See the first one, an accomplice is a partner in dash. An accomplice is a partner in dash. So accomplice is a partner in what? Business, crime, and constructions, gambling. These options are given here. So correct option is what? Crime. An accomplice is a partner in crime. An accomplice is a partner in crime. See the next one. A person who pretend to be what he is not is called and dash. A person who is what pretended to be what he is not. So such person is called as, options are here, imbiber, impressor, then imitator, and imposter. So the answer is imposter. A person who is just pretending what he is not. So such person is called as imposter. Okay. Now, see the next one. Okay. So the next sentence is his dash nature would not let him leave his office before 5 p.m. So what kind of nature? Honest, selfish, unscrupulous, or conscious? So his, from this given option, option A is appropriate to complete the meaningful sentence. So his honest nature would not let him leave his office before 5. Next one. The committee's appeal to the people for money. Dash little response. So evoked, provided, provoked, and prevented. And the correct answer is evoked. So the committee's appeal to people for money evoke little response. So friends, here you are able to see that options are given here, but you have to select the appropriate word which will make the sentence meaningful. See the next one. Too many, too many skyscrapers dash the view along the beach. So what these too many skyscrapers do? Reveal, obstruct, make or clear. So they obstruct the view along the beach. So option B is correct here. Next, though he has several intent plans. His dash aim is to become a billionaire. So what his plan is? Absolute, determined, only, or ultimate. So his ultimate aim is to become billionaire. So the correct answer is ultimate. Next one. An apartment building in which each apartment is owned separately by the people living in it, but also containing the shared area. So what it called, or four options are given here. See the first one, condominium, multiplex, duplex, and caravan. So such apartment where building where owners are, means the people, those who are living here, they have the separate ownership. It is called condominium. Next one, a group of three powerful people. So what that group is called? Trio, tritium, trivet, or triumvirate. So a group of three powerful people is called triumvirate. Triumvirate means the group of three powerful people. Next, operation of the body after death. So what it called? Postmortem, obituary, honorage, or mortuary. So the correct answer is what? Postmortem. So operation of the body after the death is called postmortem. Next, not allowing the passage of light. So the object which is not allowing light to pass through it is called oblique, opaque, obtuse, or opulent. So the correct answer is what? Opaque. Next means option B. Next sentence, science regarding principle of classification is called, options are taxidermy, taxonomy, toxicology, and classicology. So the correct answer is taxonomy. So taxonomy means the science regarding the classification principles of classification. Next, a political leader appealing to popular desire and prejudices is called dash. Means a political leader who is getting the influence of the people by popular desire or the issues, or means a leader who is able to be in power by using the sentiments of the people. So what it called? Dictator, then tyrant, popularist, and dema sorry demagogue. So such a person who is appealing to the people popular desire, so such person is called, option D, demagogue. So demagogue means a person who is getting, means the leader who is getting advantage of the people's feelings. Next, fear of enclosed in a small closed space. A fear where we have the fear to be enclosed in the small space. It's called claustrophobia, claustrophobia, and liptophobia. So when we have such kind of phobia that we can get enclosed in the small space, so that is called claustrophobia. Option C is the correct answer here. Next, a person who thinks only about himself and not about other needs. A person who thinks only about himself and not about the other's need is called, options are egocentric, egomaniacal, egoistic, and egotistic. So such a person who is thinking or giving preference to his own emotions and feelings, so such a person is called egocentric. Option A. Next, something that cannot be explained in, so such things are called inexplicable, unthinkable, impregnable, and mysterious. So when the ideas or feelings which are one person cannot explain, it is called inexplicable. So option A is correct here. What it is? Inexplicable. Okay. Next, 16. A written declaration made on oath in presence of magistrate. So in a presence of magistrate, sorry, okay, see here, in the presence of magistrate, a written declaration or the oath which is taken is called, options are document, affidavit, dossier, and voucher. So it is called affidavit. Option B. Next, a raised place on which offering to the god are made, or rest placed on which offering to the god are made. It is called, options are mount, rostrum, church, and altar. So the correct answer is altar. Altar is the place where people can stand and offer their prayers to the god. Next, a guidepost pointing out the way for a place. A guidepost pointing out the way for a place is called. Options are, four options are there: last post, finger post, lamp post, check post. And the correct answer is what? Check. See, the things which are the posts to show the place is called finger post. Option B. Next, the art of preserving skin of the animals, birds, or the fishes is called. Options are topology, taxonomy, sociomology, taxidermy. So the correct answer is taxidermy. Taxidermy means the art of preserving the skin of animals, birds, or fish. Next, chanting of magic words. Magic words chanting is called. Options are narration, recitation, incantation, and utterance. So it is called incantation, means the magical words which we use to spell or say. A group of three books or film that have the same subject or character. It is called. Options are Trinity, trilogy, trio, and tripod. And the correct answer is trio. So, the group of three books or three films which are related to same subject or character is called trio. Next one, knowing everything. A person who is knowing everything is called omniscience, omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. A person who is having the knowledge of everything is called omniscient. Next, that cannot be conquered. The things which cannot be conquered, they are called. Options are invincible, invulnerable, intangible, inevitable. So the correct answer is invincible. The things which we cannot conquer or win, they are called invincible. Next, bitter or violent attack in words of writing. So it is called loquacious, stubborn, diatribe, and epicurean. So the correct answer is diatribe. Diatribe means bitter words or violent words in literature. Next one, a person 80 years of age. Now here the options you are able to see. People belong to the age group of 70 to 79 called as septuagenarian, then 90 to 99 nonagenarian, 80 to 89 octogenarian, and 60 to 69 people belong to that age group is called sexogenarian. So the correct answer is option C. Octogenarian means the people belong to age group of 80 to 89. So here you are able to see how the question can be asked with the means where you need to identify the word which will fill the sentence correctly. For that purpose, you should have good vocabulary. And with the help of the knowledge of your vocabulary, means the synonymous words, you are able to attempt this question correctly. So that's all for the day. Thank you for being with me. Have a good day to everyone.